So guys, I was at Kapurwadi Lake today. Today is the second day of bird week in Maharashtra. So I have spotted quite a few birds. I will share the list in the description. Please go through it. 6 or 7 sounds I have heard, out of which 3 were spotted, and rest of the birds were they were very difficult to spot using my small binocular. It's only 600 rupees binocular, Amazon basics. Hardly 1000 meter I can see. 500 meter you can say. So this is it. Let's see for next few days which birds I'm able to see or spot.